In this video, we learn simple and useful English words that start with the letter I. These are easy words to remember, and with the help of collocations and clear examples, you'll be able to use them naturally and fluently in everyday situations. Iceberg. An iceberg is a large piece of ice that floats in the ocean, and most of it is hidden under the water. The ship hit an iceberg. The ship crashed into an iceberg. One famous historical example is the Titanic, a large passenger ship that hit an iceberg in 1912 and sank in the Atlantic Ocean. This event showed how dangerous icebergs can be and became one of the most well-known maritime disasters in history. The tip of the iceberg. An expression used to describe a situation where only a small part of a problem or issue is visible, while a much larger part is hidden or not yet known. It is a very common expression in everyday English. It is often used in serious contexts, problems, investigations, news. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The errors we found are only the tip of the iceberg. Idealistic, believing in perfect ideals, often unrealistic. She's young and idealistic. Idol, a person who is greatly admired or worshipped. She's a teen idol. Illness, a state of being sick or unhealthy. She missed school due to illness. Illicit, not legal or not allowed. They were involved in illicit drug trade. The company was involved in illicit activity. Illuminate, to light up or to make clear. The candle illuminated the room. Illusion, a false appearance or idea. The magician created the illusion of levitation. A child's excitement on Christmas morning is magical. I'm really looking forward to the trip. The team's improvement was just an illusion. Imaginative, showing creativity or inventiveness. The book was full of imaginative ideas. Imbalance, lack of balance or equality. There's a serious imbalance in power. Imitation, a copy of something. This is just an imitation of the original painting. The jacket is made of imitation leather, not genuine leather. Immature, not fully developed or behaving childishly. That was an immature reaction. Immediately, at once, without any delay, she called me immediately after the meeting. Please respond immediately to this message. Immigrant, a person who comes to live in another country. She's an immigrant from Brazil. Imminent, about to happen very soon. A storm is imminent. The agreement is imminent. Immune, protected from disease or unaffected by something. He seems immune to criticism. Immunity, protection from disease or legal punishment. The vaccine gives you immunity. The witness was granted legal immunity in exchange for testimony. Diplomatic immunity, a legal protection that allows diplomats to avoid being prosecuted or arrested in a foreign country. Diplomats are protected by diplomatic immunity while working abroad. Impartial, not biased, fair. The judge must remain impartial. Identical, exactly the same. The twins are identical. Ignition, the process of starting something burning or starting an engine. There was a problem with the ignition, so the car wouldn't start. Ignition key, the key used to start a vehicle. Turn the ignition key to start the car. Just press the start button to start the car. Impatient, not willing to wait. Don't get impatient. The food will be ready soon. She started to grow impatient waiting in line. The phrase grow impatient means to gradually become impatient, often because of a delay or frustration. It's similar to get impatient, but sounds a bit more formal or literary. Both expressions describe a change in emotional state. Irregular, not following a usual pattern or rule, his heartbeat was irregular. The team has been irregular this season, winning some games and losing others. He's an irregular player, sometimes brilliant, sometimes invisible on the pitch. Irregularities, actions or situations that are not normal or not according to rules, often suggesting something wrong or possibly illegal. The audit revealed several irregularities in the accounts. Identify. To recognize or name someone or something. Can you identify the man in this photo? Identify with. To feel that you share the same feelings, ideas, or situation as someone or something. Many fans identify with the team. Young people often identify with social causes. Ignore. To pay no attention to something or someone. He ignored my message completely. He ignored the warnings and kept going. Imagine. To create an image or idea in your mind. Try to imagine life without electricity. Impress. To make someone feel admiration or respect. She really impressed the judges with her performance. Improve. To make something better, you need to improve your pronunciation. Improvise. To create or do something without preparation, using what you have available. We forgot the tent, so we had to improvise. The jazz musician had to improvise a solo during the performance. She improvised a melody on the piano. During the play, he forgot his lines and had to improvise on stage. I forgot what to say in the meeting, so I had to improvise. Impulsive. Acting without thinking. She's too impulsive when shopping. Inappropriate. Not suitable or proper. That comment was inappropriate. Imply. To suggest without saying directly. Are you implying I'm lying? He implied that I was responsible. Import. To bring goods into a country. We import coffee from Colombia. Import means to bring goods into a country from another country. Export means to send goods to another country for sale. Spain imports oil from other countries. Germany exports cars all over the world. Increase. To become or make something larger or greater. Sales increased by 20% last year. Include. To make something part of a group or whole. The price includes dinner and drinks. Inform. To give information to someone. Please inform me of any changes. Inspire. To give someone ideas or motivation. Her story inspired me to follow my dreams. Insist. To demand firmly or strongly. He insisted on paying for dinner. Involve. To include someone or something in an activity or situation. The job involves working weekends. We want to involve students in the discussion. She is involved in several charity projects. Invite. To ask someone to come or join. We invited all our friends to the party. Injure. To hurt someone physically, usually causing damage or pain. She injured her wrist while playing tennis. He injured his leg while playing soccer. She hurt her wrist lifting a heavy box. Interrupt. To stop someone from speaking or doing something. Please don't interrupt me while I'm talking. Illustrate. To explain or show something using examples or pictures. This chart illustrates the changes over time. Influence. To affect someone's behavior or decisions. His words influenced my opinion. Inspect. To look at something carefully to check its condition. The mechanic inspected the car for problems. Install. To put something in place and make it ready to use. They installed a new air conditioner yesterday. Intend. To plan or mean to do something. I didn't intend to hurt your feelings. Introduce. To tell someone's name to another person or group. Let me introduce you to my friend Sarah. Invest. To put money or time into something for future benefit. They invested a lot of money in the new project. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these simple words and their collocations, and you'll start using English more naturally every day. See you in the next video.